Hey everybody, so we got another quick little what's in the box, but this time it's in a bag video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is another one of those guess what's in the box videos, but it's in a bag this time. The item is clearly not very big. The item is 12.5 inches long, 1 3/4 inches wide, and it's 1.5 inches tall. Even though the bag is 9 3/4 inches wide, you know, and the bag is 14 3/4 long. What do you guys think's in the bag? I know what's in the bag. Well, I know what brand is in the bag. I don't know which one this is because I bought a bunch from this company recently. It's Astro Pneumatic. I know that for a fact. I'm not sure which set it is, but let me know what your guys' guesses are. You know, it's not a big item. Appreciate you guys watching. It's a very short video. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and just having fun and messing around. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronic affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. If you guys like Milwaukee tools, go ahead and go check out that live stream I did recently on the 20th with the Milwaukee NPS pipeline event, episode 1. Got all kinds of cool tools to pre-order over there if you guys want to go check out that video. I left some links if you guys want to check out the line of tools that they've released, as well as, you know, tools like multi-tools, oscillating tools, vacuums, and all kinds of other things, including impacts and much more. If any of those tools catch your interest, you know, and you want to pre-order one of them, go ahead and click on one of the links and go check them out and pre-order something if that's something that you guys need, and it helps me out, no cost to you guys. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!